Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make bold text on Google Sites. So first of all, want to open Google Sites. After opening it, I'm just going to create a blank site here. So for adding bold text, first I'm just going to add a text box here, and then I'm just going to type here, and then you can see that this is not a bold text. And for making bold text, here on the top you can see menu options, and here is an option you can see here bold. Click on that, and after that type, you can see that you had been added bold text on Google Sites. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.